Hey everyone, today I'll show you two quick tips in BandLab on iPhone how to change BPM for your project and fix latency issue. First of all, change the BPM. Open your project in the BandLab. Open the project first of all, or create a new project from the plus icon. After you have created or open the new project, now it's time to change the BPM. Find the tempo/BPM. Tap it and either type in your desired BPM or use the slider to adjust the speed of your track. Then hit OK and your project will now play at the new tempo. Now step 2 is to fix the latency. Latency is the delay between your instrument or mic input and what you hear. To fix it, go to the audio settings and go to the audio settings. Lower the buffer size. Smaller buffers reduce delay but may increase CPU load. You can also enable the low latency mode from it. You can go to the setting. From here you can go to the latency test and you can change it from here. And that's it. Now you know how to adjust BPM and fix latency on BandLab iPhone. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for quick BandLab tips, and I'll see you in the next one.